Hi, this is Chris from Vroom Technology in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And what you're looking at here is a very early stage prototype of a Blender plugin we're creating that helps brands connect with graphic artists, game developers, and media agencies specializing in 3D content development. Brands get listed on our platform and provide access to specific assets that they'd like mashed up into 3D content and game objects. Basically, the game developers and artists can apply to brands and products that interest them, and once approved, which is all smart contract based, they can start building. In this scenario, we're using Simon Malls and looking at a retail example. And this particular retail environment, it's pretty static and boring looking, but it's an example of a template that a designer would get out of the box when they install the plugin. So basically what happens is whatever assets and brands the designer has access to, they can mash those individual products up into fully volumetric 3D assets and distribute them on the net through our network, or they can start to build stores. We're gamifying, we're turning retail into a video game. Avatars can visit these locations and actually conduct business. We're working with MasterCard to test the workflows, and we're planning on going live in Q1 2019. Our primary distribution in the game network is with Twitch, and we're working super hard to get a much bigger blockchain platforms like Steam and others. So hopefully this piques some interest. And if so, don't hesitate to hit me up here on Steam. My name's Chris Burno, or you can check us out online at www.vroomtechnology.com. Thanks again for checking us out.